Hi guys, welcome back to Swadaria channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to add multiple Google account in iPhone. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First step, you have to open Google. Then tap your account icon on the top right in the corner of your screen. After that, tap add another account. Enter your email you want to add. Then tap next. Enter your password. Then to make sure your password, you can tap show password under password column, then tap next. And finally, you have to account on your Google now. Well guys, just it for me. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.